Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I'm with C and Cycle. How are you doing today?
Doing very well, sir. Want to see me jump?
All right, C and Cycle, you know where we're going to today?
Where?
Surprise, surprise. We're going to eat some food. We're going to a place in Santa Ana. It's called Burritos La Palma. Supposedly some of the best burritos in all of Southern California.
All right.
Let's go. Scream and scratch. Turn down the walls. C and Cycle. You're so scared. Spinny the tire? That used to be a Chili's right there. I wonder what they're going to turn it into. I don't know. I think a wheelie is in order. Okay. Real sideways on that one. Give me a few minutes and I'll tell you about the place that we're going to today. I'm just having a little bit too much fun to focus on anything specific. That was really good. Get out of my way. Starving Marvin. It's another cold day in California. I don't know what's happening. Before I go any further in this video, I want to thank all you guys that purchase apparel from SuburbanDelinquent.com, as well as those who support my Patreon. Man, you guys make a world of difference. Oh my God, that doesn't look like fun at all. Says the fat guy on his way to get burritos. Let's stop here for a moment.
What's up?
What do you think? You want to go back home? We'll get our mountain bikes and pedal up hills?
We can do that.
To be honest, I don't even like walking to the mailbox. I thought about getting one of those stair chairs. You sit in a thing and it takes you up.
It takes like 10 minutes to go up a flight of stairs.
I'd be all right with that. I'd be making Facebook updates.
It's worth it. You know what? This kind of looks like a photo op.
I'm going to steal your photo. Which filter should I pick? What are you doing? You're breaking my shit.
All right. Well, you started it. You parked this one.
One of my poppers popped on my stomach. I felt it. Another one fell too. Cock. As usual, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to today. Burritos La Palma. Good job, Prius. Burritos La Palma was founded in 2012 by entrepreneurs Lauren and Alberto, who are married, and I tried their last name, but I butchered it, so I'm going to leave it out. Sorry. The power couple got their start by making tortillas. Every weekend, they'd head to the local farmer market where they'd sell their homemade tortillas. It was then they were motivated and had the capital to open up their first brick and mortar. In 2012, they opened their first store, Burritos La Palma, in the great city of El Monte, serving some of their Mexican Fantastico. They released a food truck out on the community, and they've opened a second brick and mortar in Santa Ana, California. That happened in 2017, and that's actually the one that we're going to today. I know what you guys are thinking. It seems like every couple weeks I'm on my way to eat a taco or a burrito, and it's true. And I'm always claiming that the place that we're going to is one of the best. This time I really think this place fits the bill. This place doesn't rely on fried beans, rice, or sour cream or any of that other crap to make the fillers. They focus on two things. They focus on the meat and they focus on the tortilla. For their beef, they're kind of going the distance. They're using a style called birria. What it means is spicy shredded meat. And this could go a couple different ways. It can be goat, lamb, or beef. The place that we're going to uses beef, which I'm excited about. I'm also excited about another burrito, and they call it chicken tinga. I think that's what it is. Yeah, chicken tinga, which is spicy shredded chicken and potatoes, right? That sounds good. So what I believe we're gonna find today is a nice, honest burrito. Local shops and magazines, they rave about this place, man. Jonathan Gold, he's a huge food critic for LA Times. This is one of his favorite spots. See, it's like going through the notes, I'm actually really excited about the place we're going to, man. I really am. I really am. Did I leave anything out? I don't know. I mean, this place doesn't have a whole lot of history, so I think I summed it up. Rancid. Anybody still listen to Rancid? Old Rancid, like Out Come the Wolves Rancid. Some good shit. Get on the roots, a radical. Skip on the food, you know I'm a radical. Give on the food, a roots, a reggae and vibes, here we go. love Rancid. Slug bug, pow! You think you can beat me to the other side of this intersection? Oh, fuck. Got him. Let's sit in traffic. This is what the rest of the country has to do. I don't know how you guys do it. I'm actually going to put my foot down on the freeway. I cannot tell you the last time I've touched the freeway. Shade Tree said it best, man. Your foot should never come in contact with the freeway. This is much better. Oh, it's just so much easier. Well, that's amazing. That's the exit we're supposed to get off at. Red bomb? I couldn't hear GPS. I don't know if it told me to go left or right. Okay, GPS is telling me to turn right. I don't think I should. Yeah, but I'm lost. I think so far my favorite part of this video was the swing set. Hey, if there was a setting on GPS, we'd be on the difficult setting.
I believe that.
GPS hates us. Hates me. What the hell is this place? I don't know, man. Wants us to go this way. I think we're on this street for 2 more miles, then we're good to go. Somebody spit on me the other day, so that's kind of fucked up. To get spit on? It's bullshit. Alright, let's eat. Alright, CN Cycle, what'd you think? Burritos La Palma.
Pretty awesome. Very authentic and very good.
Right, not your typical burrito that you were expecting, I'm sure. We got the birria and the chicken tingo. Out of the two, which one did you like the best?
The birria.
Yeah?
Yeah, hands down.
I definitely encourage you, if you come across this place or you're anywhere remotely in the area, swing through, check it out. I think you'll be surprised. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Make sure you check out CN Cycle's channel, get his version of today's events. So he's got good stuff happening over there. Make sure you support the channel sponsors, Metric Method, the law offices of Henry Haddad, and Voss Helmets. Get that Suburban Delinquent edition helmet. Check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. You also find out how to get that exhaust pipe. Vroom, vroom. And I'll catch you guys later.
You're the bikini girl.